Good day guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to find the larger number of 3 raised power 75 and 2 raised power 100. I know these numbers look quite ambiguous, but don't panic yet. I will show you guys today how we do this. Now, 3 raised power 75 and 2 raised power 100. Look at the powers. 75 and 100 should have something in common. You should have like a number in common. Now, if I say 75, for example, let me bring up 75 and show you guys something quickly. It can be written as 25 times 3. And then 100 can be written as 25 times 4. So we have 25 here and we have 25 here. Can you see it? Invariably, this means that we can just go to the power direct and express 75, 3 raised to power 75, 3 raised to power 3, right, raised to power 25. Right, this follows from product law. Okay, now again we can express 2 raised to power 100 as 2 raised to power 4 raised to power the same 25. This makes our workload very easy. 3 raised to power 3 is what? 27. Remember that it's to the power of 25 there. And we have 2 raised to power 4 is what? 16. And there's to the power of 25 here. Can you now see that 27 raised to power 25? You have 16 raised to power 25. Now you have common powers. What does this tell us? If you have 27 raised to power 25 and 16 raised to power 25, it means that this number is greater than this number. Okay? If this number is greater than this number, it means that this number is greater than this number. Alright? Hence, 3 raised to power 75 would be greater than 2 raised to power 100. Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense. If you enjoyed the video, please do also leave me a like, subscribe, and a comment. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.